Hello, my name is Austin Yates. I'm doing my case report number 1, a great idea, on big idea 8, which is natural hazards effect on humans. Natural hazards such as earthquakes, tornadoes, tsunamis affecting humans. Um, so this is a big idea 8. So the main, like I said earlier, the main natural hazards that affect us as humans are earthquakes, tornadoes, tsunamis, and hurricanes. Those are the main ones I'm going to talk about today. So obviously they affect humans by fatalities and damaging property. All of these cause some effect on humans, not like day-to-day lives. But I feel like if humans were more, well, were less reactive and more proactive, we wouldn't run into situations where we'd have a loss of almost everything we have or a lot of fatalities. So again, we as humans are reactive. So we have a situation happen, then we build off that situation rather than not having that situation happen in the first place. So my idea is start implementing more codes, conducts, or just codes, and implement more money to save ourselves from natural hazards, such as earthquakes and tsunamis, which we have been doing, such as California is starting to have a code, like a building code, and they're trying to have more building plans sent out to improve the structure of the buildings if it has an earthquake. Obviously, we have the tornado warnings, which is obvious that's the best we have right now since tornadoes you can't really prevent. And then tsunamis, were building walls in Japan and on the coast and the beaches to kind of start having the tsunamis break a little earlier so it's not that bad of an impact. So we are improving, but I think the main thing we need to work on as humans is our mindset. Because when it comes to natural hazards, we don't look at them until they become a disaster, until it's too late. So I think we need to start educating people, having them just a little bit more literate on the impact these natural hazards have and how we can actually develop ourselves as humans to make them not as bad. And these are my citations. Thank you for watching my video.